Kalki 2898 AD, directed by Naga Ashwin, starring Prabhas, Deepika Padukone, and Amitabh Bachchan. It's a science fiction movie with the combination of Indian mythology. इमेजिन आप बिरयानी खा रहे हो अचानक आपके मुंह में इलायची आ जाए. That's how you feel after seeing forced comedy and romance in a sci-fi film. Like a ब्रह्मास्त्र.
तो शिवा 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 क्या हुआ? शिवा 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 तो शिवा
चुप, बिल्कुल चुप.
Kalki suffers from same disease. Movie's starting was good with its world building, but it gets worse when it comes to Prabhas' forced comedy and his romance with Disha Patni. Scene between him and Disha Patni were overly stressed and annoying that almost created bad impact for film in my mind. But movie's first half is weak, but movie's second half is impactful and strong. Especially last 30-40 minutes were engaging, where you will see some eye-catchy visuals and well-crafted VFX. Which makes you realize that makers have worked hard on technical aspect and spent lot of money on VFX. Prabhas was terrific in Bahubali, but in last 3-4 movies his work was average. Come on, you got Prabhas. Prabhas blessed with great physique and height. He is perfect for any action film, but still director are unable to use his potential. His work in Kalki is just good, not great. Amitabh Bachchan was great in this film. Even in the age of 81, he carries same attitude and aura. And Amitabh Bachchan's screen presence makes this film worth to watch. He was a main highlight of entire film. Amitabh came out as show stealer of the film. In other actors, Deepika have done good job. She was suitable for Sumiti's role. But Kamal had nothing to do. His role was small. We will see his full-fledged role in the sequel of the Kalki. Before Rajamouli's Bahubali era, Indian directors have made only costume drama in the name of epic war movies. Then Rajamouli came with Bahubali and showed us how a epic war movie should be like. Global level success of Bahubali have changed the standard of Indian cinema. Similar case, except Krish and Koi Mil Gaya franchise, most of sci-fi and futuristic movies are big time failure in India. Sometimes due to lack of a strong story, sometimes due to poor visual effects. Sci-fi movies always have been cursed for Indian cinema. But finally, Naga Ashwin broke this curse. If we ignore first half, he almost created a good sci-fi film. We can't deny its similarities with Dune and Mad Max. There's a scene where Deepika was walking into fire. That scene will remind you Daenerys walk in fire from Game of Thrones. But these are small similarities because movie's connection with mythology looks authentic and doesn't look forced like other movies. Like there are some filmmakers who are using mythology angle in their film just to create hype in Indian god worshippers. But Naga Ashwin's intentions are neat and clean. He have created a story where modern science and Indian history completes each other. Naga Ashwin's work in films, world building, characters and visual effects is super impressive, and Naga Ashwin's brave attempt will open the door for future sci-fi movies. So I mean to say, आप कब तक KGF और Animal जैसी routine movies देख के orgasm लेते रहेंगे? We really need a change. And movies from this genre, we really need to support. Kalki is a decent sci-fi movie, and I will go with 7 out of 10. For more videos, do like and subscribe. अरे दिशा पटनी को फिल्म में लेता कौन है? अरे बत्तियां बुझा दो कि नींद कहाँ आती है? अरे बत्तियां बुझाने पे भी नींद नहीं आती है. हाय.